Hi guys, today we're replacing the end row caps on my Suzuki Carry when we redid everything else. The one thing we didn't do was these. I got these from Something Different Engineering. Little black caps with the Suzuki logo. Looks like they'll match nicely with the pink. Everything else is pink and black, so we might as well swap them out. We've got these old dingy white ones here. All right, so here we go. So these are held on by one screw underneath, regular Phillips head. I'm going to go ahead and get that removed and get these in. All right, we got this one little itty bitty screw. Not sure what size it is, but it's got a Phillips head, so these just slip right out. All right, so these are right and left side. So this is the new one. It's got a couple little small screws holes there. So I'm just going to slide that in and screw it in. See if we can get there. Oh, nice tight fit too. There we go. All right. I hope this might actually work. Yep. All right. That one's in. All right, and these fit super snug. Which is what we want. We don't want them wiggling around. All right, there. Have a look. Nice finished look. All right. Looks like this is being held in by a little plastic poppet. All right, got the little plastic poppet plug out. And we're just gonna push this up. Oh, comes right off. All right, so the corner caps, let's see. Instead of using this, it has a little nub inside here, right here, which will sit in here. So you won't need the little poppet. All right, just place it in here in an angle. And then you should be able to press it down into place. All right, that one's out. Just pop that off. All right, go in an angle here. Slip it underneath that end cap rail. Small little divot there. You're lined up. All right. Oops. Nope. Guess I didn't line it up right. All right. So the kit comes with these two little end cap latch protectors. Kind of cool. Wasn't sure where they went, but voila. Easy peasy. They slip right over your latch. It's a little hole. They just slide right in place. And bingo. Done. That's it. Protects your side from your latch here. All right. So we are installed. Corner caps are done. The back corner of the cab. The side panels. A quick walk around. Got those little latch covers and caps here. It's looking good. All right, so we'll end this here. You guys, if you have questions or any comments, leave them below.
Thank you all for watching this here video.